Can you read out the last question that we did yesterday? Payal?
No, the director of Apex orientation.
Okay. So we had done it.
Yes, ma'am. This one the last.
हमने पूरा लिख
Yes,
लिया था
ma'am.
हमने लिख लिया था ना पूरा
Yes, ma'am.
We have drafted the letter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So did I give you one more question?
Yes, ma'am.
Which question I had given you? कौन सा और क्वेश्चन दिया था मैंने
Ma'am,
बताया? Yes, and anyone can read. चलो धीरज पढ़ो बेटा. धीरज.
मैम वो लैपटॉप.
अच्छा. मुस्कान, you read it. Muskan,
Yes, ma'am.
you read it.
You are the director of Apex Orientation.
This one we had already solved. Solve कर लिया था हमने.
Yes, ma'am.
पूरा ड्राफ्ट हो गया था ना up till the last.
Yes, ma'am.
उसके अलावा any other question I had given you? If I had given you any other question, that I want to know.
Good
Whether
morning,
you
ma'am.
remember it or not. Anushka, yes, good morning. इसके अलावा कोई और क्वेश्चन दिया था मैंने?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन सा दिया था बेटा? That only I want to know.
Ma'am, medical seminar.
Medical? अरे that was
Seminar.
day before yesterday.
You are the secretary.
You are?
You are secretary of Haryana Civil Medical Doctor Association, 2345 Sector 15, Panchkula. You have organized a seminar on AIDS for the members of the association and
अच्छा
invited
ठीक है.
a
ये
specialist.
1 minute. ये drafted वाला I had sent you ना. ये draft करके भेज दिया गया था ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. ये हो गया.
I am not talking about any complete invitations.
Ma'am.
Anushka, be quiet. Your voice is not clear. Quite. You are not audible, beta. You are not clear. मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि all these questions were completed, right? ये सारे तो मैंने
Yes,
करवा दिए थे. ड्राफ्ट हो चुके ना, बन चुके ना इनविटेशन. ये बना दिए गए हैं ना. अब टेल मी.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, इसके अलावा तो मैंने और कोई क्वेश्चन आपको दिया नहीं था ना टू डू एज अ होमवर्क.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
That is what I'm asking you, beta. You take one question, start taking. Two questions I'm going to give you. Okay, fine. Should I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Put
ma'am.
today's date and write down fast. Put today's date and write it. You are Sachin. You are Sachin. Bansal, comma, the head boy of. You are Sachin Bansal, comma, the head boy of capital letters Springdale's Public School, P&S capital. You are Sachin Bansal, comma, the head boy of Springdale's Public School, comma, Gurgaon. G capital GAON. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. You are Sachin Bansal, comma, the head boy of Springdale's Public School, Gurgaon. Be fast in writing, okay? Your school is holding an inter-school. Your school is holding an inter-school T20, T capital and a small hyphen, T20 Cricket Championship, T20 Cricket Championship from 2nd December to 8th December, from 2nd December to 8th December 2000, and instead of the year you're going to put 2x, okay, full stop. Write a formal invitation. Write a formal invitation. Write a formal invitation to Shri B.S. Bedi, B.S. Bedi, comma, the legendary Legendary, sorry, the legendary cricketer, the legendary cricketer, comma, to inaugurate the championship, to inaugurate the championship on 2nd December, on 2nd December at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. at your school grounds. At your school grounds. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
You got the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now how you are going to write down? First you will begin with what?
School name.
Yes, write it, hurry up. Sender's address, okay? Don't say school name. First you are going to begin with sender's address. Write down. What will be the sender's address?
Springdale's Goregaon.
Springdale's Public School, Gurgaon. Goregaon nahi, Gurgaon. Springdale's Public School, and next line, Gurgaon. Leave a line and write down what?
Date.
Date. Yes, write it.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down the date. Date written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is to be written?
Receiver address.
Yes,
Write down the
baby.
receiver's address. Hurry up. What will be the receiver's address, beta? Shri B.S. Bedi. Okay. नेक्स्ट लाइन में कुछ भी लिख दीजिए 2/27 वसंत विहार न्यू दिल्ली थर्ड लाइन में हरी अब वंस यू कंप्लीट इट लेट मी नो बी क्विक बी फास्ट
Yes, ma'am.
ओके देन व्हाट आफ्टर दिस व्हाट विल यू राइट डाउन
Sir,
Ma'am, city.
सिटी भी लिख दी चलो सेंडर्स एड्रेस इज कंप्लीट आफ्टर दिस
Ma'am, subject.
ओके
Subject.
सब्जेक्ट राइट डाउन द सब्जेक्ट व्हाट विल बी द सब्जेक्ट व्हाट विल बी द सब्जेक्ट
To integrate.
inauguration of cricket championship.
हाँ inauguration of cricket
Inauguration of cricket.
championship
Championship.
write it beta then salutation salutation mein what you are going to write yes what are you going to
Sir,
write sir
Sir.
now see beta I'm going to read the content you listen to it okay let me see how your listening skills are how sharpened you are okay and then you write it I'll give you 5 minutes to write down okay content I'll read it should I begin reading
Yes, ma'am.
okay our
yes,
school
ma'am.
is okay fine listen now our school is holding an inter-school T20 cricket championship from 2nd December to 8th December 2000 and whatever it is. All the schools of the area are likely to participate. Your presence in our midst will act as a catalyst and inspire us. You are requested to inaugurate the championship on 2nd October at 10 a.m. in our school grounds. Kindly confirm your availability by 30th November. Yours
2nd
faithfully,
December.
Rahim. Okay, yes. Now write it. Hurry up. Take 5 minutes and write down soon.
Ma'am, completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let others also complete. Hurry up. Then I listen. What have you written?
Yes, ma'am. Done. Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, please tell me about practical.
Practical? Which practical?
Ma'am, tomorrow will be
Tomorrow will
Yes.
be what? Which practical are you talking about?
activities.
Huh?
Ma'am, activities.
Activities what? I told you na beta. Chapter review will be made Indigo, Evans Trizo and O level या enemy का आप chapter review करेंगे and I'll tell you the date when to submit.
Ma'am, because my network problem yesterday.
कोई बात नहीं तो मैं बता रही हूँ ना आप सब चैप्टर रिव्यू करेंगे. ओके 3 चैप्टर्स आई हैव एडवाइज्ड यू कि उसमें से कोई भी एक चैप्टर ले लीजिए. A4 plain sheet should be taken and black pen or gel pen should be used or ball pen. It should be
Yes, ma'am.
very neatly done. No drawings, no paintings. कुछ नहीं चाहिए. It should be very simple. Okay, as simple as it could be. Right? उसको फोल्डर में रखिएगा और फिर बाद में द डेट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू तो पीडीएफ बना के उसकी यू जस्ट सबमिट इट. क्लियर?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how many pages
एट
should
लीस्ट
we have done?
एट लीस्ट 3. कम से कम मिनिमम 3 पेजेस तो होंगे बेटा. इतना कुछ
Okay, ma'am.
कंटेंट आप लिखेंगे, समरी लिखेंगे, क्रिटिकल रिव्यू, रिकमेंडेशन. ओके, उसका कुछ एप्रिसिएशन वगैरह कुछ लिखने हैं तो. राइट? सो यस, रीड आउट नाउ. रीड आउट. हु विल रीड आउट बेटा? विक्रम,
Yes, ma'am.
रीड आउट. जल्दी करो.
Springdale Public School, Gurgaon, 2nd December 2000, double cross 3, BS Bedi, 23 Vasant Vihar, New Delhi. Subject inauguration of Cricket Championship. Sir, our school is holding an inter-school T20 Cricket Championship from 2nd December to 8th December. All the schools are likely to participate. You are requested to inaugurate the championship on 2nd December at 10 a.m. in our school ground.
एंड काइंडली कंफर्म योर अवेलेबिलिटी. ओके, ये भी तो कंफर्म करना जरूरी है whether the guest he would be able to come or not. ओके, तो वो कंफर्म करेंगे ना, कंफर्मेशन लेटर हमें भेजेंगे ना अवेलेबिलिटी का. समझ
Yes,
गए?
ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
यस, हु एल्स? मुस्कान.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, यू रीड आउट बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
रीड आउट करेंगे.
Spindle's Public, Gurgaon,
हम्म.
27 November
अरे
20
डोंट रीड
XX.
दिस, ओनली द कंटेंट, ओनली
Shri,
द कंटेंट. कंटेंट रीड
ma'am.
करिए, बॉडी ऑफ द
Our
लेटर.
school is holding
हाँ
our
बेटा.
school is holding an 20 cricket championship
हाँ.
from
School,
22nd
1
December
minute,
to
is
8th December.
holding 1 minute and inter-school mention करना जरूरी है because it's there in the question. T20 cricket championship. Yes. Continue, beta.
All the schools of area are likely to participate in our school.
Mm.
Your presence in our celebration will act as a catalyst and inspire us.
Mm.
You are kindly requested to integrate the T20 championship on 22nd December at 20 and 10 a.m.
22nd
in our
December.
school. Kindly confirm your
मुस्कान 22nd December नहीं 2nd December था ना मैंने शायद 2nd December ही बताई है ना डेट 2nd December to 8th October. So you're requested to inaugurate the कोई बात नहीं बेटा on 2nd December, okay, at 10 a.m. in a school grounds, and kindly confirm your availability by 30th September, and then leave a line, write down yours faithfully, subscription जो भी है, your name, full name, Sachin Bansal, whatever is given there in the question, and designation. What is the designation of Sachin Bansal? क्या है designation?
Head boy.
हाँ,
Head
head
boy.
boy लिखिएगा and end up. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you learnt to write down the invitation? Have you learnt, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody is having any problem. And you got the difference between the two. Okay, both are formal invitations, but one that is printed on the card, how to write it, how to draft it, and the other one in the form of the formal letter. Okay, will you be able to write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye then. Thank you and God bless you all.
Sorry, ma'am. Actually, I have network issue.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोई बात. Okay, God bless you all.
Excuse